Welcome to the EarnWorkz tutorial video. We are going to show you how to join EarnWorkz. First, you have to purchase by click the Trade Desk Access $100 on the EarnWorkz page. A pop-up window with a disclaimer will appear. To proceed, read and acknowledge the terms of business, then click Submit. Once confirmed, an EarnWorkz Trade Desk wallet will be created. You'll need to deposit funds or make an internal transfer to your EarnWorkz wallet. After completing the process, you'll receive a confirmation email. The private links will now be visible on your EarnWorkz page. Click the private link button. The private link button will take you to the registration for each strategy. In this step, you are required to create an investor account. This account is necessary because it will be used to hold and manage your funds inside the PAM system. Once this account is created, we can proceed to fund it. Enter the amount you want to invest. Please note that the minimum investment amount is $100. You can choose to deposit directly or make an internal transfer. If you prefer internal transfer, navigate to Traders menu, select Accounts, and choose Transfer Funds. Then, select the source account you're transferring from and the investor account you want the funds to go into. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. Once the transfer is completed, you can return to finish your setup. Click your private link and start the registration process again. The system will guide you through the final steps. Confirm the strategy. Select your funded investor account. Enter the amount you want to invest and deposit to PAM Manager. This completes the connection to your chosen master. After this final step, simply wait until the next 0 o'clock server time for your funds to be automatically reflected in the PAM fund. Thank you for choosing EarnWorkz.